The rules have changed. Regulators and boards aren't asking for plans anymore. They want proof your software won't fail. Usually that's quite a challenge. But what if it was easy? Hi, I'm Joshua from Codekeeper. Join me as we explore our 3 comprehensive escrow solutions designed to guarantee your software continuity. Let's start with software escrow. This solution protects traditionally installed software that businesses depend on. Here's how it works. We create a legal agreement that works for the vendor and their clients. The agreement establishes clear rules for when and how assets can be released. The vendor deposits their source code and software data in our secure vault. When a release event occurs, like vendor bankruptcy, we review the conditions with the vendor and release the assets to the client immediately once confirmed. Once the escrow is activated, you can order verification as an add-on to prove everything in the vault is complete and usable. For more extensive software protection, we provide SaaS Escrow. This recovery solution protects cloud applications. The setup process follows the same steps, but secures your complete cloud environment. The vendor deposits source code, software data, cloud deployment assets, and third-party dependencies. This ensures you can move your application to a new platform if needed. Like with software escrow, verification services are available to prove everything works as intended. Our third solution, Continuity Escrow, protects your operational continuity by taking care of the environments your cloud applications are hosted in. You upload all critical providers to our system, and we monitor service payments. If you or your vendor can't maintain payments, we step in to keep your services online. From risk to recovery to continuity, with Codekeeper you get legal protection with agreements that work for all parties involved, guaranteed access to your software, certified proof of your software continuity to show to regulators, clients, and stakeholders. Want to know more? Our experts are standing by to help you find the right solution for your requirements. Codekeeper, modern escrow solutions that guarantee complete software continuity. Book a free demo today at codekeeper.co.